Aspetta. Oh, porca troia.
Some very interesting chin-wags with reps from some of Europe's top clubs. Bayern, PSG, Atletico. Oh, and I just got off the blow with a gent representing, wait for it, none other than Los Blancos. Real Madrid. Very sad.
Bella Bruno, da qua.
The impression of the US today. Well, it's early days, but I'd like to talk about
Bro, hold the live for
This is as big as it gets, Alex.
Lasciami la like live, bro.
Bigger games. Bigger contracts. You're having me on. Like, you know, these were my childhood idols. Raul, Roberto Carlos, Zidane. Looks nailed from what the Asian was telling me.
It's an honour. Sure. But you're only 18, Alex. You know, it's a dream, I understand. But the pressure you take away. And with their squad, you might even be a star. There's going to be lots of other chances in your career. Right now, this is all exciting. And the fans, they're not going to forget. Not for something like this.
Ok, bro, vai, ciao.
Do not think like that. You are not Aaron.
But we've got to move fast, otherwise the Mike's sitting elsewhere.
Well, if it's got Michael's approval and it's what you really want.
It's been my dream since I was a child. How can I say no? It's going to take a few days to iron out, but in the meantime, I need you to find an extra gear for the first few games of the season, yeah? Could whack a naught on the transfer fee.
Che pazzo sei, Alex? Real Madrid, quindi. Allora, dove posso andare? Dai, Real Madrid.
You want to grab yourself a beer, bloke? I'm on a bench. I think you've got your head in the game with all this transfer business going on.
Ma vaffanculo, dai.
Boss man, it's fine, trust me. Personally, I hope you stay on top.
Allora, controlla Hunter. Insomma, secondi. Per 6 punti, ma fanbane te. Dove sta Real? Vediamo, Real Madrid. Raga, dove sta Real Madrid, raga?
Right, on to it's time. Here's your chance to win it back, lad.
Allora,
This is still my club. It's all because they don't want to see you go, lad.
sì, questo è il mio club, no. Ah, mi sembra quello, ok. Allora, fai coppo col culo, no, col mister, ok. Spesa, ok. C'è nel prossimo... Cioè, ah, quindi... Ok, ok, ho capito, ho capito. Oh, raga! No, dai! Poi a fuori gioco, dai, ma stiamo scherzando, Ayun. Palla, 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 palla! Oh! 2 milioni! Ma vaffanbamba! Aspetta che scriva! Se Bruno cosa... Ah. Dai, buff, cazzo è? Alzatemela sta cavo di palla. Alleluia. Vuoi gioco? No. Dove vai? Ok. Ragazzi, stanno 4? Allora, Cutucugno, io segno. Sempre fuori gioco, dai! Ah. Dai, io è da... No!
Guarda che dorme, dà una mano a tutti. Addirittura a me
Oh. Cazzo! No, cosa fa? Ma non si può iniziare?
io sono qui a gonfiare una pizza bucata mentre i miei fratelli si rilassano al sole. Guarda il lato positivo. Quando finiamo possiamo giocare a baseball e farci forse è meglio di no, a quanto pare la devono pulire. Non lasciare che...
Vabbè.
Sai, dai, hai ragione. Madison non è la mia responsabile dopo tutto.
Ah, fuori, nostra. Nostra, oh, nostra.
Anche lei è una sua responsabile. E di portare tutti alla mia sette e dire che lo show inizierà tra 15 minuti. Ma ci sei appena stato perché non ero stato tu. Io avrei voluto...
Vai.
Mi ha chiesto che lo facessi tu. Oh, mi ha detto di iniziare così.
È a rigore questa, regà.
Mi avrebbe licenziata chiedendo a Quindi e poi avrebbe licenziato anche me la mia amica. Almeno non vedi i miei fratelli mangiare i gamberetti.
No, dai. Cazzo fa? Oh, regà. Vabbè. Cazzo. Alla. Vabbè, non è finita. Pogba? Oh. Dai. Palla? Passa, passa. È bastardo.
Mkhitaryan.
Dai raga, attaccate.
Lukaku.
Passa. Oh! Scivolate. Dai.
Still on the attack and they've got a corner.
Ora passa quello. No, tira là. Perfetto. Oh, dai.
Forse dovresti andare a casa. Dire al diavolo estate migliore di sempre.
No, che cazzo fai?
Fatti a fortuna.
Well, nowhere near.
No, he's miscued that one. Miscued it badly.
È ora di saldare il conto. Ci passo io. Dove fermiamo? Non c'è da fermare. Ora dovete pagare.
E quanto ti
Cesc
dobbiamo?
Fabregas.
Vediamo. Miles non ha preso niente, io devo
Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch.
fanno $320.
Oh. No, è fu... Oh.
Referee's given the free kick.
Non ci hai detto che
Game's not
bisognava
over yet.
pagare. Voi non avete detto di non avere soldi.
Chelsea have to deal with the yellow for their player here.
Yeah, I don't think there's any arguments there.
Dei genitori, sono certo che saranno lieti di pagare.
Forse non la dovevo prendere sta punizione, raga.
Sicuro di non aver preso la mia carrocca, no?
We're going to get 5 extra minutes here.
Vabbè, 4-0 finita. No! Quel gioco dovrebbe essere.
Well, that really has finished the job perfectly. They've dominated the match.
Ruthless, they weren't going to go easy on the opposition. Really professional performance.
Got numbers in this attack.
Oh!
Keeper might be needed again.
Ottimo! No!
Well stuck out the foot.
Bella.
Again, let's run its course.
Minchia doppia ha fatto, no?
Joy, of course, the converse of that is the pain of defeat, and they're feeling that pain at the moment.
Well, I don't think they can have any complaints. There weren't many in that team that had
Eh,
a decent game.
Vedi che non funziona il dito famoso.
vabbè dai,
Fans who used to
avanti.
Benvenuti alla festa d'estate più bella di sempre.
Benvenuti alla festa d'estate più bella di sempre.
Vedete? Sì.
La festa d'estate più bella di sempre.
All right, coming. Here he is, Michael Taylor, super agent. What do I sign? You gotta come with me now. Wait, now.
Quelli di con la tuta?
Come on, move it!
It's starting to freak me out. What is going on?
We've been had. The agent, the one I've been dealing with, he's a complete fraud. Move it!
You're saying that Real never wanted me?
Guy was one of those parasite middlemen, complete chance. You know, the kind that manufactures deals between players and clubs. No, Rio didn't know anything about it.
Coral!
Come on!
Do you want to tell me where we're going now?
Trying to save your career.
What about his tour of the US?
Ora in poi, questa è la mia mano da burino.
Quindi?
È la mia mano da maionese.
Io ho viaggio di Anthem in testa, raga. Continua.
C'è un'emergenza. Serve che qualcuno sostituisca gli elastici delle pelle delle aragoste con quelli della festa d'estate. Siete in 4 e lo farete in 4. Wow, un paio di mesi di tempo.
Tecnicamente rimane
You get some of this down, yeah, you'll have finished in no time.
continui, regina delle rime.
Have I got news for you, sunshine? Jim,
You're just in time for breakfast. Grab yourself a coffee.
what's going on?
Cioè io mi conservo le cose e le persone se le mangiano? Sono bastardi, no?
Been having some very interesting chit-chats with reps from some of Europe's top clubs. Bayern, PSG, Atletico. Oh, and I just got off the blow with a gent representing, wait for it, none other than Los Blancos. Shut up. Real Madrid. Very safe. Seems like you made quite the impression in the US of A. Well, it's early days, but they like to talk about getting you on board before the transfer window shuts. This is as big as it gets, Alex. Bigger stars, bigger games.
Having me on. You know
These were my childhood idols, Grandma. Raul, Roberto Carlos, Zidane.
Looks nailed from what the agent was telling me.
It's an honor, sure. But you're only 18, Alex. You know, it's a dream move, I understand it. But the pressure, you think about it, you're going to be down there on your own. And with their squad, all they want to be a star. There's going to be lots of other chances in your career. Right now, this is a risk. With your fans, you're not going to forget. Not for something like this. This could be my
Oi. Do not think like that. You are not Harry.
Non posso farmi mai un cazzo qua. Oddio.
If it's got Michael's approval, and it's what you really want. It's been my dream since I was a child. How can I say no?
Deal's going to take a few days to iron out, but in the meantime, I need you to find an extra gear for the first few games of the season. Good weapon, the transfer fee.
Ragazzi, non potete dare la colpa a me, volevo passare l'estate come
Un attimo, raga.
Perché l'hai fatto? No, perché mi sembra giusta da fare. Che c'è? No, grazie. No, decisamente. Bene, l'ultima parola è la mia.
Me la salvo David. Vai, facciamo sta carriera. Aia!
I'm on the bench. Got your head in the game.
Scusate.
Transfer business. Frank told me at the time I agreed. Cross my head's fine, trust me.
Che cazzo dai? Casco, non ci viene.
Personally, stay away.
Cominciamo a filmare. Cosa volete? Oggi c'è la zuppa e i frutti di mare. Venderemo uno di mezzo, ci venderemo più semplice allora. Mi raccomando, la piscina, e per gli anelli di cipolle, niente da bolletto. Essa sarà in parte, ma solo con la panna, altrimenti del formaggio ma non alle erbe. In quel caso preferisco la panna. Con gli anelli non
Here's your chance to win them back.
no, così funzionano le cose tra l'una patente e la prossima. E la mia con una
This is still my club.
It's only because they don't want to see you go, lad.
Fans, who used
great time to come on because his team are struggling
Ah.
with the scoreline. Already down to 10 men. The crowd are now going to have their say about Alex Hunter and Real Madrid rules.
Yeah, and it was always going to happen, wasn't it? Part and parcel of the modern game. Alex Hunter would have expected it, especially with his team trailing to this extent.
They're going to find it hard to keep him in these circumstances, aren't they? He's not being treated particularly well. Maybe the fans feel he's not treating the club particularly well. It's a mess.
It is messy. He was a fan's favourite here, and now to hear the catcalls, the boos, Alex Hunter wishes it could be different.
Eden Hazard, the teammates who are clearly on the same wavelength. Chelsea on the attack. Can they shut up now? The goalkeeper plunged to make the save. Manchester United moving into the attack. And shoots! That shot's blocked very quickly. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Here's Fabregas. David Luiz. Marcos Alonso. Cesc Fabregas. N'Golo Conte.
Oh.
Marcos Alonso.
No.
Credit the defenders, they've caught him offside and by quite a long way too.
Perché adesso in gioco?
Chelsea, got a bit of a charge now through midfield. Hazard this time goes for the cross. Well, it's hard to watch Alex Hunter without thinking about this potential move to
Già 29 ammazza.
the motives behind it, whether it's the right time for him, whether it will
Due cazzoletti in out.
It's a big moment in his life, isn't it? And he's good advice from his agents, and particularly his family, his father and his granddad. People might think it's too early, but Real Madrid might never come knocking again, so you're bound to want to take that move.
Well, there's a sense from the supporters that he'd been missing. Go the other way so quickly, can't he? Shots off! Hit the post! And Herrera. Henrik Mkhitaryan. Now this looks promising. Marcos Alonso. Good looking build up, rather petered out. Here's Martial. And Herrera. Some potential in this move. Now this is an interesting attack. Now the shot! Pogba. Oh, nowhere near.
No, he's miscued that one. Miscued it badly.
And Herrera. Attacking well here. Coming up a corner. Corner played in. It will be their throw. They've got the ball rolling again straight away. Now Willian. Here's Fabregas. Azpilicueta. Fabregas again. Azpilicueta. And Herrera. Antonio Valencia. Lukaku. Oh, very good indeed, but the move has broken down. And Azpilicueta. Well, the home team has been outplayed. And the home supporters have lost their will to support, I think.
Devo assistere un gol io.
Job here. See 1 or 2 heading
Ma cosa, no?
and I'm impressed.
Oh, ma cos'è fallo?
Dove fermiamo? Non c'è da fermare. Ora
Anthony Martial. And Herrera. That is a cheap piece of play to give the ball away like that.
Another 5 minutes to be played here. 5 minutes added to it.
non c'è detto che bisognava pagare. Voi non avete detto di non avere stato.
Martial with a clever pass here. Lukaku. Well, it looked a bad miss. I think the defender just put him on.
Yeah, he's got to take a lot of credit for that because he had to take the shot quickly, the lad who was trying to score.
He's coming forward with some danger. Gets his foot in there. Marcos Alonso. Taking on the defenders. That's dangerous. Ball down here. Trying to slip it through. It's away, Lukaku.
Ma fuori gioco è questo.
That is the final whistle. The inquest is almost starting now, so soon after the final whistle, about the reasons for this defeat.
Yeah, disappointment all round and maybe one or two will point fingers in the dressing room because I don't think they all gave it their full effort, 100%, and that's inexcusable.
Dopo tutto non è male.
Hard to watch Alex have to win.
Questo è male.
With just 15 hours to go till the transfer window starts shut, we are still awaiting
All right, coming. There he is, Michael Taylor, super agent. What do I say? You gotta come with me now. Wait, now.
Come on, move it!
It's starting to freak me out. What is going on? The agent, the one I've been dealing with, is a complete fraud.
Move it!
You're saying that Real never wanted me? Guy was one of those parasite middlemen, complete chance sellers. You know, the kind that manufactures deals between players and clubs. No, Real didn't know anything about it. Come on! Do you want to tell me where we're going now? Save your career.
Ah.
Are you sure this is what
Una mano speciale quella del DJ. Mica male, dovrei averla io. Mano speciale per una cosa.
Ma cazzo mi fa sto cavolo di coso? Porca merda.
E quando dedicherò una canzone a una persona, saprai a chi mi riferisco.
Still working on that thing?
Big deadline tomorrow.
You get some of this down, you'll have finished in no time.
I've got news for you, sunshine.
Michael, you're just in time for breakfast. Grab yourself a coffee.
What's going on? Pre-season could have been better.
Well, it seems that some people think that a change of scene could bring out the best in you. Some very interesting
State scrive
reps from some of your
Let's like a live.
Bayern, PSG, Atletico. Oh, and I just got off the blower with a gent representing, wait for it, none other than Los Blancos.
Real Madrid.
Very same. Seems like you made quite the impression in the US today. Well, it's early days, but they'd like to talk about getting you on board before the transfer window shuts. This
Is as big as it gets, Alex.
bigger stars, bigger games.
bigger contract. You're not having me on. Like, you know, these were my childhood idols growing up. Raul, Roberto Carlos, Zidane. Come on.
Looks nailed from what the agent was telling me.
It's an honor, sure. But you're only 18, Alex. No, it's a dream, but I understand. But the pressure, you think about it, you're going to do it. And with their squad, if I wanted to get started, there's no things about the chances in your career right now. This is a risk. And fans, they're not going to forget. Not for something like this.
Oi. Do not think like that. You are not Harold.
Otherwise, they might consider moving elsewhere.
If it's got Michael's approval and it's what you really want.
What does your heart tell you?
It's been my dream since I was a child, Mom. How can I say no?
The deal's going to take a few days to iron out, but in the meantime, I need you to find an extra gear for the first few games of the season. Could whack a door for the transfer fee.
We're on the train.
Devo concentrare nella partita.
Personally,
Non capisco come cazzo fa a salire. Oddio. Ciao.
Nicoletta, ti ricamangia e scappi di Sofia.
Ma cosa fu il gioco di merda?
Here's contact. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here.
Bella.
Flowing off the crossbar. When he hit it, I think he might have been worried that it would go over the bar, but it was below the bar.
E questo ho fatto.
Bottom of the bar and in.
Yeah, I'm not sure whether he actually meant to hit it that high up, but he doesn't care now. He's loving that goal.
Manchester United moving into the attack. Lukaku. It was a real opportunity, but there might be a key moment in there from a defensive point of view.
Yeah, well, they really did converge on him quickly. He didn't miss by much, but he's missed it.
Oh, è fallo!
Alex Hunter without thinking about this potential move to.
Volevi.
And
Sì.
the motives behind it, whether it's the right time for him, whether it will make him or break him.
Well, it's a big moment in his life, isn't it? And you'd hope he's getting good advice from his agent and particularly his family, his father and his granddad.
Bella.
People might think it's too early, but
Fuori.
never
Bella.
looking again, so you're bound to want to take that move.
Well, there's a sense from the supporters that he's being disloyal. It can go the other way so quickly, can't it?
Well, that's the thing. Fans seem to think that play that they do, and that's just not the case. It's a fantastic career move for Alex, were it to come off.
Better this time from the keeper.
Well, he's kept going, hasn't he? He's kept his head up, and maybe that'll be the turn in terms of his form out here.
In goes the corner. The shot's on. He's put it over.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the contact, power, but accuracy just off.
And it's been Equator.
Oh!
Seen as a foul by Lukaku. Now Fabregas. Here's a chance to move forward from midfield after that interception. Could be dangerous. He's very confident with the ball at his feet.
Troia.
That attack, but in the end it came to very little. And Herrera. Manchester United get the advantage decision.
Non ce la faccio, regà. Voglio andare avanti.
Now, can he take them on? And shoots! Nowhere near.
Oh, he's skewed that one. Skewed it.
Ah, che palle. Che devo fare di cose?
Group of very confident players. They believe
Here we are. Going through the repertoire of all their favourite songs. They can see the final whistle approaching quickly.
Nemanja Matic. Hopper. Got his shot off now. Take the chance with the shot there.
Yeah, thought he might have done better there. Had a bit of time and space, good position.
Cahill. There's Fabregas.
Ma che palle.
That's a turnover to the opposition.
Raga, andiamo su GTA un sacco qua su FIFA.
Really to read the intention of the pass. Now this looks promising. Almost.
Che me fuori gioco, basta! Destra in culo, ok, vaffanculo.
Need to go that early. There was space to run into.
And Herrera. Trying to slip it through. Lukaku.
Vabbè, vaffanculo, dai.
Well, this is rubbing salt in some pretty gaping wounds here.
And they just won't let up, will
Quindi
they?
a 4 gol sono fatti.
Little surprising that it is as one-sided as this late in the game, but the team leading deserve the margin of what's going to be a very comfortable victory. Fabregas. The scorer here is Fabregas.
Oh, there's nothing wrong with that. No wonder the Spaniard is delighted with it. It's a wonderful take.
Ma che cazzo?
So a goal for Chelsea.
No, vabbè, raga.
Defenders seem to lose the concentration almost. They saw it coming from a long way.
Allora, possiamo fare altri 2-3 gol.
And got his head to it, and it is a fine goal, a typical goal from him.
Possiamo vincere, raga, ancora, vero?
Was just caught on his heels.
Sì.
Stood there watching, but the scorer always alive in the box.
Here's
Che è
Fabregas.
buona in cosa, ok.
Moses.
No, no.
Now
5-0,
This
5-1.
turnover could be costly against a side that can break like this. Now Anthony Martial. And slipping it through. Lukaku, they won't catch him.
Bella.
He's had a real go. It's a decent effort that with plenty of sting in it.
Yeah, not far away. He really did visit, didn't he?
And
No.
Martial. Letting the shot go.
Cazzo che mia c'ha.
United's corner. It's not really. Mkhitaryan.
No!
Move, great goal. And it's a goal.
2-5.
It's all about the delivery that led to this goal. Right on the spot, that corner was.
It's another late goal to emphasise the gulf between the two sides today.
Yeah, it's been that type of match. I think everybody out there, the strikers particularly, want to increase the goal tallies. And they've done it.
Affanculo a mamma.
That's run its course here.
Non ce l'ho fatta.
The inquest is almost starting now, so soon after the final whistle, about the reasons for this defeat.
Yeah, disappointment all round, and maybe one or two will point fingers in the dressing room because I don't think they
Passa in
all gave it
vantaggio,
their
c'è il prossimo
full
gol.
effort, 100%, and that's inexcusable.
Forse ho capito, raga.
Forward with some
Vabbè, andiamo avanti. Non è finita, mentre